Alright guys, welcome back to another video of For Life Auto, and we're going to be showing you, we're going to be replacing the auto sensor for the 2014 Nissan Juke. It's the upstream bank 1 sensor 1, and it's located right on the top of the engine. First we take off the valve the engine cover. It's right here, and we don't have to, but the connection is right on the top here next to the turbo inlet pipe. We're going to put this connection right here like this, squeeze and pull, and then have a little retainer kind of thing. You pull it forward, and the auto sensor is right there, guys. So we have our tool from Amazon, very cheap and convenient. If you want this, I could put the link in the description and you guys can ask for it. Just go on Amazon, type in the tools. You have for Mercedes, BMW, but all boiled down to whatever you want to use is still 22mm. So I heat this up already, guys, so I'm gonna be putting this over down here, as you can see, and then we're gonna use a small extension with a breaker bar, and we're gonna break it loose. So I'm using this one hand, guys, so I'm gonna, and it break, guys. So normally they're easy to spin, so we're gonna take out this tool, try spinning with our hand, and yes, it's spinning with our hand. Cause tell me when these break. And guys, the engine was warm, so when it's warm, it's easy to take these sensors out. So I'm spinning with my hand, and then I pull the sensor up, and this is the sensor, guys. Look at this. So this is what we're working with, and then we're gonna be using the other sensor to put in, which is this one. And guys, the replacement part number, if you want to buy from Amazon, this is the part number for the 2014 Nissan Juke auto sensor. That's the part number here. You can pause the video, play back. They're all the same part number, and it comes in that package. So we're gonna check the connection and everything and make sure the same. And guys, this is not too hard. It's reverse procedure. You take off this, it comes with a little bit of adhesive on the top, and we put it a hole. Guys, I don't know if you can get this one off. I think you can get this off, or it just comes with this. A special sensor comes with that one because it's in a hole. So I think it's just aftermarket. The sensor come different. Well, I don't know. Let me try take this one off, guys. So I'm trying, but I don't think you can get it off, guys. So we're gonna work on magic without that. So right back into here, guys. We have a little bit of lube. We look for the hole. It doesn't matter if you have that plate or not. Screw it in like that till it jammed. Like that until it jams, and then we're gonna put our magic with our tool on top, and we're gonna try to snug it up before we even go. So we're gonna put our tool inside, clamp it down, and guys, don't tighten these too much. You don't want to damage the thread. So we're gonna just tighten now. I'm doing this with one hand, guys, so if I can do it with one hand, you can do it with one hand too. So we snug it up, not too much. Then we take back our tool, rest it aside, and then we're gonna take the wire, put it back into the little retainer slot, and we're gonna put it to our connection right here. And guys, you should check your sensor before you take them out, but I did check this already. So, and that's a snap. So there's a little bit extra wire from the original one, but I guess they put this in just in case you want to route it a different route, over something that maybe you do the engine advance. You put some other stuff on there. So guys, if you want a tool for this, I can put it in the link in the description. It's from Amazon, and I will try to see if I can get it, and I'll put it down into the description for you. That's all you need, and your ratchet. And then there, guys, that's how to change the auto sensor for the upstream for the 2014 Nissan Juke. Any other Juke, it probably might be the same. I see different videos with the Juke is not the same. because you have the sensor on the other side and stuff like that, and they have a different sensor for the boost. But this is where the sensor is for this one, 2014. So guys, if you're new to the channel, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of my live videos. And this is the part number for the, if you're gonna order on Amazon, this one fit the 2014 without any hesitation. Put in your vehicle information and make sure. Yeah, I don't know if this is general for 2014 because every vehicle have a different variance here. They might have a different, they might have non-turbo, whatever the case may be. So always remember to check your specifications. Sometimes they give you this and we show online and then you might get the wrong one. Guys, don't blame me. Check your stuff properly too. But this one is for 2014 Nissan Juke, and this is the O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1, located right here on the top. Easy to change. I change it one hand, guys, and if I can do it, you can do it. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be begging for you guys so we can put out more content. This is free learning for everybody. So guys, when you meet my video, say hi, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.